Just add this to your tough meat to make it softer than sirloin. Here, I've got 500 grams of beef, any kind you like. And then add a spoonful of yeast. Now let's mix it well. And let it rest for 5 minutes, then we'll start seasoning. I'm using 3 crushed garlic cloves here. I'll add a bit of pepper, a bit of smoked powder, and salt as much as you like. Now it's mixing time again. Once that's done, set it aside, and in a skillet add lard or, well, wait for it to heat up and add all our beef. And let's cook until one side is golden, then just flip it. Guys, when it's done cooking, just take it out and move it to a board. Or your plate and enjoy. And look guys, this beef is so soft. Give it a go at your place. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you liked it. That's another recipe from me in the kitchen. Big hug and see you next time. And thanks.